Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Isingoma Triumph. So today I'm here to take you through the introduction to information literacy. So I have my work here in the PowerPoint presentation, so I will definitely open it. So this is my work, as you all see. I try to present it in slides. As you see, my first slide is saying Introduction to Information Literacy. So when someone tells you information literacy, what do you understand by information literacy? So I'll try to go on my second slide, which has a definition, where the definition says information literacy is a set of abilities requiring individuals to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use it effectively, the needed information. So that is our definition of information literacy. So our next slide is saying importance of information literacy in digital age. So as you see, our point number one is saying it avoids misinformation. So here, information literacy helps you to identify fake news and wrong information. Not everyone online is true or is talking the truth, is telling facts. So our next point is improves academic performance, whereby it helps students find correct and relevant sources for information and maybe assignments. So some of the sources we have now, like university students, they normally use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and each other. So all that is information literacy. And another one, it supports decision making, whereby you can go and maybe choose a course job, you can maybe go for health advice. So it depends on how people use the media. For example, someone can go on TikTok and maybe they ask you for your favorites. So maybe someone likes maybe games, so he will definitely search for games. Someone can maybe like more studies, then he will go for studies. Some people go for courseworks. So that's how it supports decision making. Then it prevents plagiarism. So here you learn how to use information properly and give credit to the authors who have used this, who have used this information. So not practicing again plagiarism, which is bad, using someone's information without permission. So it also enhances digital skills, whereby it makes you confident while using technology and online platforms. So our next slide is the information life cycle. So the information life cycle, we are seeing our point number one, it is creation. So here, information is first created, whereby you make research, read newspapers, maybe study trips, study guides. So you first create your own information, whereby we have step number two, we have publication, where it is published through books, journals, websites, and so forth. Then distribution. So here you will see that information is distributed to people through internet and other websites, maybe through books, through novels. So people get it into different accesses. So then access and use. So here people search, where I find people searching novels online, reading online novels. So they search, they read, and use the information. So we have evaluation. So here users check the information whether it is accurate, relevant, and reliable. So Then lastly, we have update or discard. So here information may be updated with new facts or ignored if outdated. So thank you for watching my videos. So you can subscribe, like and follow. I remain Singoma Triumph. God bless you.